Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at, of course, is a standard Marx knuckle coupler. Now, when these things break, they invariably break off right there. And it breaks off the entire hook. And when you have a broken coupler, you simply cannot run the car. But I want to show you a really simple and easy repair that you can do in just a matter of a minute. And you have to use the broken coupler and a wire tie. And you just do this. So there's the broken coupler, there's a wire tie. So I can do this around this camera. So now this coupler will actually lock over that wire tie. Instant repair, as you see. It'll never come uncoupled. You can run it backwards without it buckling. And this actually works really well. And of course, if you use a black wire tie, it's virtually invisible. But it's a really simple way to repair this broken coupler. And all you do is drill a small hole, about an 1/8 inch hole, in whatever size your wire tie to fit snugly through it. And as you see, it locks and it stays locked. This will never come uncoupled until you uncouple it. And it allows you to use a broken car instantly. You can do all this with simple hand tools. This works really well. It's really quick. It gets a broken knuckle coupler up and running, and it'll last virtually forever, or until you find a coupler to replace it. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to repair a broken coupler in just a matter of a minute or so. So just drill a hole through the broken coupler, install a wire tie, and leave yourself sufficient slack so that other coupler can hook behind it, and you have an instant repair. Like I said, it'll never come uncoupled. If you use a black wire tie, it's completely invisible. Best of all, it works. It gets a broken coupler up and running in just a matter of a minute or so. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.